Alright, so I have switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3 here. You just gotta bear with me a little bit because it's hard to unplug the pigtail and put the camera places and, make sure everything holds up while plugging the battery in. So here we again have switch 1, I'll lay it down, put the battery on it, lights up. Okay, so switch 1 getting unplugged and put over on the other side. Switch 2 plugged in, switch 2 on its side. Grab the battery. Lights up. Battery unplugging, put it over here, and switch 3, put it there, switch 3 with the pigtail on it, and the battery. Alright, so that was 3, 2, and 1.